Are you a beginner trader and you want to learn how to calculate pips on different currencies, whether it's Forex, cryptocurrencies, or indices? Well, it's your lucky day because in this video, I'm going to show you how to calculate a pip as well as show you 4 amazing tools that you should use on a daily basis to help bring your day trading to the next level. Welcome back. My name is Karsten and this is my show, Kit Trades, where we discuss everything you need to know about day trading to help you become a profitable trader every day. In this video, we're going to discuss what is a pip and how to calculate the value of a pip. There's 3 different types of pips that we're going to discuss in this episode. The first type of pip is the standard pip that most Forex pairs use. So if you see here, a standard pip in Forex, for every Forex pair except for JPY, it is the 4th digit after the decimal place. That is 1, 2, 3, 4. So this value here is a pip. If this were to go from 1.3620 to 1.3621, that would be a pip. If this value were to go from 1.3620 to 1.3630, that would be 10 pips. So now let's see what that looks like, what 10 pips looks like. Now this segues into one of the tools that I want to show you. So if you're on TradingView and you want to measure pips, you click Shift and then click and it will open this measure tool. And you can see on the right side of the red box or the blue box, it's going to show you the pips. Right now, this is 7 pips, 8 pips, 9 pips, and 10 pips. So that is what 10 pips looks like. All right. Boom. So that's 10 pips right there. We can look at it again here. That is 10 pips right there. So 10 pips on USD CAD looks like this. So that's the first tool that you're going to use here. If you're on TradingView, you're going to click Shift and then click one time, let go of Shift and drag for the measure tool. Okay, so that brings us to the next currency pair, anything with JPY. This is USD JPY, and this acts a little differently because yen are very large numbers. So you can see here that the price of yen is currently 135.989. So to be quick, if you were to move this decimal place right after the first one and counted 1, 2, 3, 4, this right here are your pips. If the price of USD yen went from 135.98 to 135.99, that would be 1 pip. If it went from 135.88, that would be a 10 pip change. Okay? So, to recap, on any currency like JPY that has a large number, for example, 135.95, what that's saying is $1 US equals 135.95 yen. What you're going to do is you set your decimal point right after the first digit, and then you count 1, 2, 3, 4 over, and this is your pips. So let's see what 10 pips looks like on USD JPY. So that is 10 pips right there, this box. Let's look at it again right here. That is 10 pips. So it's relatively small. On any Forex pairs, 10 pips is going to be relatively small. All right. So now we're going to shake things up a little bit and we're going to look at a cryptocurrency. With crypto, a pip is a much different value. That's why if you're trading on a small account and you're chasing after 10 pips, on crypto or indices, that's going to be much larger. All right, so if you look at this move right here on Bitcoin, this single candle is 7,900 pips, which is basically a change of $79. On crypto, each pip penny. So if you have a change of $79, that's 7,900 pennies. So that is a huge difference than Forex, right? So they move like crazy. So essentially each dollar change is 100 pips. So even if price just goes up or down a dollar, that's a 100 pip change. And if you're on a small account, that could either make you rich or absolutely devastate you. The final thing I want to look at here is indices. Very, very popularly traded. This is the Dow Jones 30. And let's go ahead and calculate these pips here and do a little measure. So this move here is 22 pips. This whole downcrease move here is 182 pips. You can see that the price here was 33,560. And the price down here is 33,386. So you can see the change in between price here is approximately $180. And you can see that's represented by the move. So on an index, each pip is roughly related to $1. The thing is that these prices are moving $20 or $30 or $40 per candle on smaller time frames. On 15 minutes and above, these candles may move 200 or 300 pips. So again, if you're on a small account, it's not as crazy as crypto, but it can still drain you quickly. So now let's try to understand lot sizes. There's 3 different types of lot sizes, okay? There's one where it's 0.01. There's one where it's 0.10. And then, of course, there's 1.00. All right? So this would be trading how much of the Dow Jones are you trading at once. So if the Dow Jones, let's just say for simple math, is worth 33.5K, then with a 0.01 lot, also known as a micro lot, this you would be trading $335. With this right here, 0.10 is a mini lot, and with this one you would be trading $3,350. And this right here, the 1.00, is a standard or full lot, and with that you would be trading the whole $33,500. If you're brand new to Forex trading, stick to micro lots because it will be a lot less stressful, and with stress comes mistakes. So if you're just getting started and you do not want to make mistakes, because mistakes will frustrate you more and more and snowball into a hatred or a tilt, stick with micro lots and practice until you feel confident enough and you've seen sizable returns to move on to a mini lot and eventually into a standard lot. If you guys enjoyed this video and got some value out of it, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe on your way out, and I'll see you in the next video.